Right then, guys, remember I said at the last video that I would be, well, so guys and girls, got to forget I do have some girls watching. I'm literally just at, what lake is it?
Windmill fishery.
Windmill fishery. I'm terrible. My missus done a little surprise for me. I just finished work and said, oh, I booked you on a lake. So this is the lake. So I'm on here for the night. I literally just turned up as it's getting dusk. So I've just got my new alarm set up and I'll go through these later on. Got a receiver as well. So I'll go into more detail. I'm literally just going to cast out PVA bags. Maybe I might get a fish tonight. I'm not too excited for it. Obviously I'm not going to be able to record it, but I'll do a little shot if I do manage to catch one. But otherwise, I will catch you in the morning on the bank, and no doubt I'll be getting a float out. And I've seen some fish moving, and hopefully we'll catch a few. All right, bing bang bosh. See you in a bit, guys and girls. It's literally getting dark. I've got my alarms out, and look at this, boys. It was my birthday. I was 34. Bivvy light with the alarm, eh? Look at him. Look at him. He's changed, hasn't he? He's changed. This is my. Can I see it? Can you see it? Oh, this is my home. So right, anyway, bing bang bosh, guys. I'll have a little talk more in the bivvy, hopefully, if I can get some lights on. Right, guys, this is my tent. And the brolly of joy. So here we are, all nice and set up. I've got a pop-up on and literally just a single dog food boilie. So hopefully I can get something in the night. I will try and get it on camera, but as you can see, I'm not the best equipped for nighttime fishing. I'm literally going to be rooking it, just going to literally sleep for a few hours. I'm going to get straight up and get on it. I'm going to try and catch a big carp on the float. It's probably one of my major tasks. It's a very small lake. I didn't realise how small it was, but I don't care because I am fishing, boys and girls. Right, ciao ciao. We go then, guys. First fish. Really nice linear. It went absolutely crazy on the bank. Whoa, on the bank. In the water. Oh my god, mate. Jesus, dude. Really angry fish. I'm absolutely buzzing with that. It's about 14-15 pound, I reckon. Sorry, it's night time, but that's what you get in it, eh? Bing, bang, bosh. Dog food boilie. Oh. So here's the rig, the sneaky D rig. So I've got on a little swivel, the dog food boilie, we can tell by the horrible stain, and a 10mm pink pop-up on a size 6 hook. So there we go, on a little D rig. I get it out now. Is that a bleep already? So yeah, there we go. It's on a big D rig, bit big for my liking. I'm gonna make some more rigs tonight. Right, bing bang bosh, see you in a bit. And then back, guys, I keep getting a little bleep bleep bleeps, bleep bleep bleeps. So what's going on? It's about half an hour before light. Go reel in the rods, give them more recast. Bing bang bang bosh. Alright, good morning, guys. I think I've got a few fish feeding down here before I get the ducks coming on it. And there's definitely a fish down there moving. So yeah, nothing so far. I've rebaited this rod just out there with a dog food boilie. Just gonna drop this in the margin. Obviously. Ooh. There we go. Shot. What you got out there? Right out into the middle. Got off of it now. Jesus. That one's down inside then. This is going to finish me. We're in margin spot now, isn't it? Ooh. Well guys, what you want in the morning now? Definitely a double figure. This is my £10 banshee rod. It's a pretty good rod. Get on front, you know. Oh, beautiful morning for playing fish. So I'm getting near the neck. there. Mirror. Come on, mate. That's a double figure mirror. All day. Then guys, you can say goodbye. I just give it a little rest and some water. But there we go. First fish in the morning. Can't moan about that, eh? It said 21, could be even 22. It was sketching around that mark. But yeah, absolute unit. Look at the size of the head on it. He's got a bigger head than me. I know I look about 50 because I haven't shaved my head, but bing bang bosh, dog food boy doing it again. Yeah, boy. New lake, full commercial, and he's smashing it. Right, let's get her back in. Oh. Here we go, Mint. Cast that right in the margin over there on the island. I thought it was a bit shallow, but this lake's really deep. So, result. And that was the running lead. You can feel it trying to move on the running lead. I was getting seesaw motion. Absolute beautiful morning. Changed the idea on the float because I just had a funny feeling I was going to do better on the ledger. I was right. I've got this line pinned down the back leg. So this line is pinned right down the back ledge, so it's out of the way. It's a really deep lake, but actually I'm not fishing far, as you can see. It's not a big lake, but it's deep. So, and like in the night, the other rod got took out. It was a bloody nightmare. Even with the back lead on, I just caught it. I couldn't see it. It was flying around the margin. When I'm talking, this feels like a good fish again, you know. They really do fight hard in there. I'm quite impressed. And all of them are really good mouths. Really nice fish. I always catch so many commons. It's really nice catching nice mirrors. Ooh, keep the stick. Keep off the stick. Keep this way with him. Really good. Really stick again. See, I'm just letting the rod do the work. I'm not reeling or anything. I want to take more line and just back away. That killed the reel. I think it's a smaller fish. Oh, it's a common. It's a common. Nice deep fish. Right then guys, a really short, fat, stonky common. Really nice fish, fought really hard. Right under the rod tip. Look, it's got a real funny little tail. But there we go. It's got a little fat hand on him. I'm going to say he's about 8, 9. Really fat, weird looking fish, I'm not going to lie. He's got a really fat little body and a tiny little tail. But there we go. Happy days. Buzzing with this one. So yeah, nice little screaming off. Now I cast it right tight in the island. So yeah, as a result. Right then guys, I'm going to give you a lay down now. That's about half an hour, 40 minutes since I've fed that fish now. I put bait. I'm probably going to go through about half a kilo of pellet and probably about a tin of corn and a tin of chickpeas today, I reckon. That's a lot of bait for me. Yeah. But yeah, I just keep topping up. Every time I get a fish, I just top up the bait. So about 3 fish now. The reason why this is all like randomly, I didn't even know the place that I was fishing, is because basically I was working, I hurt my leg trying to sort out my roof. I fell off a ladder, smashed the inside of my leg, so now I couldn't walk properly. I carried on working, and basically I was living around at work. My missus felt sorry for me, and it's my day off to go fishing, and she's like, where do you want to go? I said, oh, I'll just go where I normally go. And she's like, oh, don't you get bored of those places? I was like, no, you know, it's exciting, but sometimes I blank. I've had a couple of blanks recently. And she's like, oh, well, I'll take you somewhere if you want. And then anyway, she said, look, my friend's just been fishing, and it's only 40 minutes drive away, and he had like a, I think it was a low double, no, upper double, sorry, he had like an 18-pound common. They look quite nice fish, and it's 40 minutes away, and you could do a night. So I was like, right, find out how much it is a night then. And it was 50, I think it's like 20 quid a night, but I got it for a £5 for the night and a tenner for the day, because I turned up late. I didn't get here till like 9:45, so I could literally just get the rods out. But yeah, if you obviously wake up in the morning, first thing to do is get bait out and recast again, because if the rods ain't gone on the night, then you definitely ain't had a fish. Definitely been done or something. Something's gone on anyway normally, unless you're fishing like a weedy, really hard lake. You want to be recasting, and I'm glad I did, because obviously I had that really nice mirror, yeah, and then that really weird common. It looked like he had a real strange tail, real short, stocky fish. But sorry about the sun in my eyes. Gollum face. But yeah, so I'm really happy with the way it's going at the moment. I'm literally going to go to sleep for a couple of hours because I haven't slept. I was getting a bleep like every hour, something going on, and so yeah, I feel absolutely knackered, I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to go to sleep for an hour, maybe 2. I got a receiver, yeah boys. It's my birthday, it was, for I was 34. My missus bought me some alarms, yeah, Sonic ones. They're really good. Normally, as you know, I wouldn't pay money for that, but I do fishing all the time now and going to all these better, bigger places, and I need a receiver, don't I? So yeah, it's one of them. Really, I've got away with it for ages, but yeah, one of them. And I should have bought my cradle today, but to be honest with you, some of my mate's lorry. I've got my big padded mat, but I thought I had it in my inventory, but it wasn't there, and I couldn't get it last night. I really prefer to have the cradle today, do some videos and that. But anyhow, it is what it is. Right, so hopefully catch a couple more fish. There's definitely a lot of fish surfacing and stuff. There's definitely a lot of perch and that in here. But yeah, I had to float out for a bit and nothing. You know, I won't catch obviously fishing for anything small. I was fishing for carp. I had a massive huge piece of bread on as always, and a little pole floating in the margin. But nah, nothing happened. But yeah, as the day gets on, you know, they might move around. And the other thing is, if this rod keeps going, this other rod, this rod's down the channel at the moment, and I'll reel it in and bring it back over here, and I'll put it near that other rod, because if this one rod just keeps going, there's obviously a lot of fish over this way. This channel's like they're in or they're not, you know. I can't see them really feeding in this channel. I put a bit of bait in the channel already, and since last night, and I'm basically just feeding with big PVA bags of pellet. So yeah, ooh, happy days on the bank. Right, see you in a bit. Oh, got that. Running towards me, that fish. There you go, just surfaced. Literally running at me. Yeah, I'm probably going to move this rod. Not too close to it, but near it, because there's obviously a lot of fish around this area. One rod just keeps going. There's a reason, you know. Because you've got the same baits on and stuff. Really whipping around. I think it's particularly big. That's it. It was tench-like. Small comment. Mirror. No, it's a mirror. Mirror. Nice fish. Boy. Let's say goodbye to the mirror. I mean, it has been going mental on its bank. Nice mirror. Literally dripping with water, obviously, because I got them nice and wet. Boom, boys. Right, she's getting straight back in. Let's get the rod straight back out on it, eh? Boosh. Yeah, fat belly on it. It was literally pooing out my pellet, that red pellet I shown you. Right, happy days. Right, here we go then, guys. End of part one. So I thought I would quickly show you the pond at the end, you know. So on the next video, we'll go into a little bit more detail about the fishery and stuff. But here's my little pond. Right then, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. So this is end of part one. Part two will be coming in the next couple of days. Like and subscribe and thumbs up. Bing, bang, bosh. Instagram, Fighting Fisherman number 9. Right, bye-bye. Bye-bye from Scrappy. Wee boy. Yeah, bye-bye.